everyone. Today we are going to discuss the monkey train problem given in your NCERT. A very interesting problem. This problem will clear many of the concepts of the relative velocity when we are discussing it in case of straight line motion. So the numerical says it's example 3.9. Two parallel rail tracks run north and south. So if we are talking about two parallel tracks, two parallel rail tracks run north and south. We know that we show the directions like this. So we are showing that these two are the parallel rail tracks in this direction. Then it is given train A moves north with a speed of 54 km per hour. So we are given the velocity of train A 54 km per hour. Now we are considering here the northward direction as positive and southward direction as negative, right? So that means we have to consider its velocity as positive, right? Second is given train B moves south with a speed of 90 km per hour. So this train B, its velocity is given 90 km per hour. Now this is southwards and southward is taken as negative. So this we are marking as minus. Then what is the velocity of B with respect to A? So first part is what is the velocity of B with respect to A? This have been represented by VBA. Second part, they are asking for the velocity of ground with respect to B. So this we will represent like this. Third part, they are asking for the velocity of monkey running on the roof of train A. So this is our train A and the monkey is running on this train A against its direction of motion. So that's why it is moving on the train opposite to its direction of motion. And they have given that the velocity of monkey is 18 km per hour with respect to train A. So this is an important part here. So what is given here? Velocity of monkey with respect to train A. Right? And they have given it 18 km per hour. Right? Now look at this. In which direction is the monkey moving? Is moving southwards, right? And they have given that its velocity with respect to A is 18 km per hour. And since he is moving backwards, so I will mark his velocity negative, right? So it is southward, it's moving southward, that means, so that's why its velocity is taken minus, right? So let's convert these values VA into meter per second. So this will be plus 54 km per hour means plus 54 into 1000 upon 3600, right? So this makes it 5 by, you can directly multiply by 5 by 18 also. So 3 by is a 15. So this makes it plus 15 meter per second. Similarly, we can calculate VB. This is minus 90. We can directly do this 5 by 18. So this is minus 25 meter per second. If we look at the velocity of monkey with respect train A, so this will be minus 18 into 5 by 18. So this gives us minus 5 meter per second. Right? Now let's solve the first part. So if we solve this part, how will I solve it? VBA can be written as velocity of B minus velocity of A. Along with the signs, I mark these vectors, right? So VB is how much? Minus 25 meter per second. This minus here, and then VA also. VA is plus 15 meter per second. This gives us minus 40 meter per second. Let's come to the second part. Right? So VGB is what? VG minus VB. We all know this. Right? So velocity of ground. VG is what? Velocity of ground. So velocity of ground is 0. Minus VB is how much? Minus 25 meter per second. So this will give us plus 25 meter per second. These two parts were simple. Third part is slightly different, and it requires the concepts of relative velocity with respect to which it is given, with respect to what it is asked. And this, if this is clear, you will be able to solve many more numericals on relative velocity. So let's take the third part. Third part I'll solve here. I have to find Vm, right? So this I don't know, but I am given that velocity of monkey with respect to train A. This I know, but I can write this formula like this: velocity of monkey with respect to ground minus velocity of train A. See, here there is one important point to note here, that if nothing is given with respect to which the velocity is, then we consider that this with respect to ground. Right? So if we are not given with what relation it is given, the velocity is given, then we write it with respect to ground. So this is what I have to find. So this is a trick over here. Here we were given the velocity of monkey with respect to train A. So this is not velocity of monkey with respect to ground. We have to find the velocity of monkey with respect to ground. So if nothing is given, so that means this is automatically velocity of A with respect to ground, because nothing is given with respect to which the velocity of train A is given. So this can also be said that velocity of B is given, that means velocity of B with respect to ground is given. Now we have to find out velocity of monkey with respect to ground. So it will be velocity of monkey with respect to train A, and this will be shifted left side. So minus plus velocity of A, because velocity of A is with respect to ground, because this is not mentioned. So this is minus 5 meter per second plus this is 15 meter per second. So this gives us plus 10 meter per second. That means here an important note over here. Note is that if nothing is given in relation to which the velocity is given, then we consider it with respect to ground. Right? Very important thing. Now another important concept I need to discuss here. For that I need to rub this part. Right? So this case where the train A is moving northward, right? And this train, this is the monkey. Monkey is moving this way, the train is moving this way. The train is faster, so we can say that this is 15 meter per second this way, and monkey with respect to train A is minus 5 meter per second. We are saying that velocity of monkey with respect to train A is minus 5 meter per second. What does it mean? It means that if we have another person sitting in train A, so velocity of monkey with respect to the person is southwards. So negative shows that monkey is moving southwards with respect to person in train A. Very important thing here. That's why this is negative. Okay. Now let's take a case that this velocity, what we have calculated as velocity of monkey with respect to ground. So if we have velocity of monkey with respect to ground, this is plus 10 meter per second. So that means if a person is on the ground and he is stationary, we consider ground to be a stationary. So that's why this person. So this person will feel overall the train is moving northwards. Monkey though moving on the train, but he is also moving along with the train. So this person feels that the monkey is moving northwards ultimately. Overall the monkey is moving towards north along with the train. So this positive indicates that monkey is moving northwards along with the train, right? So if these concepts are clear with the concepts of positive velocity, negative velocity, right, and with respect to what the velocity is given, then I think there will be no problem to you when you are solving the relative velocity problems. That's all for now. Have a nice day.